Assignment 4. YouTube video by Aidan McCarthy and Phelan. The central processing unit is made up of several different parts including random access memory, registers, arithmetic and logic units, buses, and the control unit. Random access memory is where the computer stores programs, applications, and data. Registers are special memory locations that can be accessed very fast. Arithmetic logic unit is the component where all the calculations are performed. Buses are the paths upon which information is transferred for the CPU. The three most important buses are the address, data, and control buses. The control unit controls the flow of instructions and data within the CPU. Von Neumann architecture is a design model for a stored program computer system. The theory was first developed in 1945 by John von Neumann. The basic theory of the von Neumann architecture hasn't changed much since then. The theory gave a computer an instruction set by default and stored it in memory. When the memory is accessed, the instruction set tells the CPU the list of computations for the program. The North Bridge is one of the two chips in the core logic chipset. It handles faster communication within a computer system. It is connected directly to the CPU. It handles communication between the CPU, RAM, BIOS-ROM, PCI cards, and the South Bridge. The South Bridge is the second chip in the core logic chipset. It handles slower communication, because it is not directly connected to the CPU. It handles communication between PCI, SATA, USB, audio communication, etc. The fetch and execute cycle follows on from von Neumann architecture and retrieves a program from memory. It retrieves the instruction set for the program and carries out the actions required. The fetch and execute cycle works in four distinct methods: fetch, decode, data transfer, and execute. The control unit gets the instruction from main memory using a program counter to determine where the instruction is located. Instructions are decoded into a language the ALU can understand. Any data required to execute the instruction are fetched from memory and placed into registers within the CPU. The ALU executes the instruction and places the results in registers or memory. Presentation presented by Aidan McCarthy, Phelan, and voiced over by Simon, provided by AT&T.